How to fix Far Cry 4 is crashing. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the general tab launch options box, you want to add -dx11, or you can try -dx10 if the first option is not launching the game. Now you want to go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is going to be in the description below. And from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And once you finish installing these, this will require a computer restart. So after you restart your computer, all you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU updates. So you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you have. Now you want to go to the drivers section, check for updates and get the latest available driver updates. Now all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from the Steam library and it should solve the crash problem.